All right. Good morning, YouTube, or good afternoon. Today we'll be doing a blower motor in this Honda Odyssey. Blower motor is right here. All you do is you got three bolts. 1, 2, 3, and then you unplug the pigtail and you put it in place. Like that. And this baby should drop out. Should, but I say should. Gotta line the vent up with the vent in the car. Should be able to tell. There's really only one way to go in. Just like that. And my arm's probably in your way. Yeah, one bolt was started. Whoop. That was crooked. There we go. Got crooked now. That's that pigtail. You gotta unplug the resistor pigtail. I guess I can go ahead and plug it on up. Here's that one. Make sure that vent's there. Just like that. Blower motor's done. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe.